Hi, my second grade turtles. Welcome to Phonics and Spelling. Today is Monday, January 4th, 2021. So today we are going to focus on one vowel, and this vowel is O. And we're going to specifically focus on the long O sound. And remember, if a vowel is a long vowel, it says its name. So long O would say O. So we know that in words, some words could just have the letter O, and that makes a long vowel sound. But there's also some other spellings that can make that long O sound, such as OA. Remember our vowel digraphs when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking? We only hear the O. The A is silent. So if we see OA in words, we just read it as O. And the other one we're focusing on is OW. So when we see OW, we also just say long vowel O, O. And another way that we see the long vowel O in words, but they aren't in any of our spelling words this week, but I just want to tell you, is O consonant E. If we see a word like this, note, we hear that long vowel O, and the E, we don't hear at all. But that E is very important because it changes our O from a short vowel to a long vowel. So these are all different ways to say that long vowel O. We're going to focus on these three this week. All right, just like normal, please say the words out loud with me. You can, if you're in class, you can say it in a whisper voice, but say the words out loud. Most. Most. Now I couldn't really figure out a picture to put with this, so my little cartoon is saying love you the most. So this is a word you use when you're trying to show just how much of something. Like, this is the most fun I've ever had. Now notice in this word we just have the O that's making that long vowel sound. Both. Both. If you can't decide which book to read, why not read them both? Just the O is making that long vowel sound. No. No. Now this isn't no like N-O, no, please do not do that. This is a different type of no. That's why my little cartoon is thinking. I know how to write complete sentences. I know how to add numbers. Notice how we have OW that's making the long vowel sound. Flow, flow. I like to watch the water in the river flow. Again, we have OW making the long O sound. Own, own. I know how to tie my own shoes. Throw, throw. Can you please throw me the ball? Soap, soap. Please wash your hands with water and soap for 20 seconds. Now notice, now we have OA, that vowel digraph, that together makes the long O sound. Float, float. I watched the hot air balloon float in the sky. Or, these floaties will help the girl float in the water. OA. Loan, loan. Can you loan me $1 so I can buy a treat? Goat. Goat. I saw a goat at the zoo. Loaf. Loaf. We used the loaf of bread to make my sandwich. Coach. Coach. The coach helped the team learn how to play soccer. Coach. Now again, just a reminder, all of these words are long vowel O words. So they say the letter O. We have just plain O, O-W, O-A, and then not in our words, but we learned we have O, consonant, E. Now, please take out your planner and write the spelling words in your planner on page 63. On page 63. After you write them, use a crayon or a highlighter to highlight the letters that make the long O sound. Remember O, O-W, or O-A. One of those three. And if you finish this and you finished your reading and writing and you still have time before lunch, please go on Lexia after. Thank you, second graders.